Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Elfster for Secret Santa. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up Secret Santa on Elfster with a family or friends. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first thing that you want to do is that let's go ahead and create an account for Elfster. And once you're logged in, you're going to reach this page that looks like this. Now, over here, you should see a button that says create an exchange. So click on create an exchange. And then here, you're just simply going to fill out some prompts. So who is joining on the fun? Yes, I'm participating. No, I'm just organizing. So if you're participating, click on yes. Then you can either add your friends here, then click on next, and then set draw restrictions. This means, like, let's say that there's a married couple joining the exchange. You don't want the married couple to get each other, or let's say siblings are joining the exchange. You don't want siblings to get each other. So you can set draw restrictions, or you can skip draw restrictions. But if you don't want any draw restrictions, you can just say next gifting details. So this is going to be where you name your exchange. So let's call it 2025 Secret Santa. When is it happening? Let's say that's happening on the 24th. And then sign up deadline will be the 9th. And then sending gifts by mail. So for me specifically, as an example, we set up our Secret Santa across the US. So you can click on yes. By checking this box, participants will be asked to provide a mailing address where their gift should be sent, gift budget, adding a note, click on next. Here, you're just simply choosing an image. So just choose an image, then click on next and invites, and there you have it. Now, the next thing that you need to do is invite your friends or family. So click on send invites, and you can either share the sign up link or send it via email. So I usually share the sign up link just so that people can actually just click on the link and create an Elfster account and join themselves. But you can do it whichever way that you want, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up Elfster for Secret Santa. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.